Supermicro and Deckers Outdoor Corp. are scheduled to be included in the S&P 500 index, marking a significant reshaping of Wall Street's most closely watched stock benchmark. This announcement, made by S&P Dow Jones Indices, will see these companies replace Whirlpool Corp and Zion Bancorporation, reflecting the dynamic nature of the stock market. The inclusion of Supermicro and Deckers is expected to prompt substantial buying activity among index funds that track the S&P 500, necessitating the acquisition of shares in the newly added companies to maintain alignment with the benchmark's composition. These index funds, popular investment vehicles on Wall Street, command assets totaling approximately $7.8 trillion. Supermicro, known for its high-end servers powered by Nvidia's leading AI processors, has seen its stock value more than triple within the year, with its market value exceeding $50 billion. The company's shares witnessed nearly $10 billion in trading volume on a single Friday, surpassing transactions of major firms like Microsoft and Amazon. This surge in interest and trading volume underscores investor anticipation and the market impact of Supermicro's inclusion in the S&P 500.